Hey there guys, thank you for tuning into this video. Jordis Reyes here, your Market Center Administrator at KW Naples. Creating this video for you to show you how to create a landing page using your KW Command website. So if you guys can follow along on screen for me, go ahead and log into Command. From here on the left hand side you have your applets or widgets. You're going to go to the bottom one here, websites. Click on that. Now when you get to this, if yours does not look like what you see on my screen, please reach out to me via email so we can set up a quick little 5-10 minute call so I can make sure that you are up to date on your consumer website. If you don't see this, it's because you're not up to date currently. For everyone else, if you are seeing exactly what you see here, click on Edit Agent Site. From here, we're going to go to the top right and hit Expert Mode. Now, what you're about to see is the back end of your consumer website. This is actually how you go about editing all the different pages and or adding pages to your website. Today we're going to specifically focus on the landing page. So we're going to go to your quick start here and click on property landing page template. So we'll click on that. Alright, now from here on the left hand side is where we do all our inputting, and on the middle screen here what you're going to see is a preview of the changes that we're making. So the first thing we need to do is we need to pop in either an address or an MLS ID. So I actually have an MLS ID already pulled up on my other screen here that I'm going to type in, and you can see here as I'm typing it in, it's actually pulling up the listing information. So it's this one here on Pelican Bay that we're doing for today's example. Click on that. And you're going to start to see a change on the right hand side here in the preview. As you can see, it's already pulled some of that property information from the MLS. The next thing we need to do is we need to give it a page title. What I recommend here is to put in the property address as the page title. From here, we need to select a featured image. You can do a custom image, or we can just hit this little drop down arrow and click default listing image, and it's going to populate the default picture from the listing. And you can see on the right hand side how it's dropped it in there for you. Next, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on Add Module. There's no changes here that need to be made. We're just going to simply go to Add Module, and we're going to click on Property Landing Custom Content Block. Click on that. Then we're going to go back here again, and now we're going to give it a header, or name it, or we're going to name the header. Let's say for this one we're going to call it Professional Fee. And then for the content, let's assume this listing is giving or offering a 2.5% commission. We'll put 2.5%. And then I can scroll down to the preview so I can see the changes that are taking effect right there. There it is. It just updated it to the 2.5%. Now you're going to want to, it's going to require you to add at least one custom image. So we're going to click on that box there. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you click on it down here where it says create. You're going to click new. Now you're only going to have to do this one time. You're going to hit new, and you're going to name this either Naples or Marco, depending which office you're at. Let's just say we're going to do Marco for this example, because I already have the Naples one up. And then you're going to choose image, and you're going to take this Marco image that we've created, and you can also customize and make your own. In this email that you received today, linking this video, is a download link for you to download these images. From here, we're going to go ahead and hit save, and we're going to go back. Now while we do that, this is loading. We got to make sure we let that screen load, and there you go. Now you can see that image that we just put in there. You're going to click the image. Notice how it dropped it in there for you. Then from here, we're going to just let that image upload or update. You can see there it is. Professional, so it's just Marco, professional fee, and then 2.5% commission. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to hit publish on the top right. We've published it. You're getting the little confirmation here that it's published, and we're going to go ahead and return to dashboard. Another way that we can verify it is published is that when we return to dashboard, we scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there it is right there. There's the one that I did before, and here's the one that we currently have. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, what I want to do is you can open preview in a new window. This will allow you to see the entire page so you can see exactly what it's going to look like. And as long as you're good with it, it's ready to go. Now here's the link right there, so you can copy that. Let me go back to what I just did there. We're back in the view here. I just literally clicked that link. It opened up this new window, and now right there is your new shareable link for you to share this either in the MLS or on other public sites. Again, if you have any questions or have any issues as you're creating your landing page, please let us know, and I'll go ahead and jump on a Zoom call with you to help you out through that. Take care, guys.